All right. Hi there. This is the walkthrough video for Thursday and try 3 week one. We had a 2 hour delay, and just to help make it so you have enough time to work, and also because my computer was not projecting to the board, please skip all your bell work for today. Thank you. All right, so today is day 2 of measuring the effectiveness of a mosquito population control strategy that is currently in use throughout the Americas. If things went well, today is the day that you're going to be working on graphing data and doing data analysis to prepare for that graphing. And then afterwards, thinking about what that graph can tell you about the effectiveness of this control strategy. So still have December field experiences and tri-final grades to put into the gradebook. I have until the end of tonight. If you have questions about anything else, please see me. We realized that somebody didn't have their name on a paper earlier today, so please get in touch with me about that. All right, so as you remember, we've been thinking about mosquito control programs, specifically a type of larvicide that is kind of like internal and genetic. And if you head to the assignment details, remember, you're going to have all of this stuff. The student reading is going to, not the student reading, the student assignment, there we go, is going to prompt you about what to do in part 2. If you did not answer part 5, you may leave it blank. If you did, that's great, but the focus today is part 2. Also, while I'm thinking about it, I'm not asking you to do part 3 this year because of the 2 hour delays. So go ahead and take that. You can cross that off or just write on the PDF if you're editing a PDF directly, not to use that one. So here's the data analysis. You have access to the data tables handout electronically and in paper. And this is going to tell you what those things are. So if that's confusing, you can go back and read the student reading assignment with a picture of the trap. That'll tell you a little bit about how some of these calculations are made. I also wanted to show you that you have access to a spreadsheet. So if you know how to do the mathematical equations that would allow you to do that typing, you can feel free to do that analysis here. There's some other tabs that I can't see right now for the third thing that this assignment is asking you to do. So if you work your way through the assignment and do what it tells you to do, it will be pretty straightforward. You are going to place both the untreated and treated data on the same graph for the whole year. You'll have 2 Augusts, but you'll have each of those months as a point on the x-axis. This is one of the few exceptions of data that is treated like numbers on a ruler. So each month you put an equal space in between them, and you can actually connect these with a line, as you'll see, a line graph. So the assignment is due to part 11. Canvas has 2 separate entries. One of them is for the worksheet and your graph. You may put those in the inbox, staple, and or submit digitally, whatever you need to do. And then the letter, you are going to, again, submit whichever way you'd like. But the goal is to write a short letter, a paragraph or 2, summarizing this evidence about whether releasing GM mosquitoes may work in your area based on the data that we've been seeing. So instructions are here. They count as 2 separate assignments. And like the other part I wanted to tell you is that if you search the name of this assignment and answers or key or educator materials, you are going to get a full key. I didn't want you to walk out of class today, for the people who were even here, and be like, I don't know how to do this. So the answers are available publicly online. Please use them as a tutorial rather than just as a source of information into which to copy, because I really want you to be able to sit down at the AP exam in May, or in an exam for you in the future in college, or in the middle of your life when you have to analyze some data, and feel confident that you can do that you can do that practice. So that's it from me. Tomorrow, if things go well, we're going to launch March Memo Madness. I can't wait to see you for that. All right, that's it for me. Take care out there. See you soon.